Hello, hello YouTube. Welcome, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm introducing my new hairstyle. Reoshe's new hairstyle. Yeah, I'm trying to make things different. As you can see me. So, if you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Share this video. Yeah, it's really helped me out. When you subscribe on this channel, it's really helped me out. I'm not monetized because they refuse my monetization. YouTube refused my monetization request. So I think I will be applying like 6 months later. Yeah, let me go here. I'll apply 6 months later. Yeah, from 2 months ago. Yeah, 2 months ago. They refused my monetization request. So subscribe on this YouTube channel. Let's keep grow. I'm not gonna let you down, guys. I'll keep posting every single day and yeah, do a lot of things. I'm gonna do a lot of things on this YouTube channel. I'm gonna do vlogs. I'm gonna do travel. Yeah, when I get money, when I get good money, I'll post traveling videos. I'll post dance. I'll post a lot of things. Yeah, a lot of things. So subscribe on Lil Shay's YouTube channel. I'm not using a good camera right now, but let me let me make you take a look. Feel me? Yeah, let's you take a look at this hairstyle. Ooh, see very well this hairstyle. Do I look good? On the comment section. Do I look good? On the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. More things are coming. Yeah.